They made the gate to look like destiny, but the void doesn't choose for you. It waits until you make your own decision.
The moment humanity remembers, the hidden blueprint reactivates.
The engineer never forces the choice. He designs the path so resistance feels like failure.
The next 5 years decide the next 1,000.
The cost of opting out is irrelevance. The cost of opting in is submission.
And every time you break your word to yourself, the machine gets stronger and you forget who is driving.
When your mind merges with the system, choice
You just
becomes
need
friction,
to think it's
comfort
thought.
feels natural, until freedom costs too
The
much.
spark of the higher realm. A memory of where you came from.
They build digital chains. You were born with the key. Rise with the Tao. Decode the hidden order.